There you go, there guys, this is just our it's a frequently asked question if you're for looking at a Subaru Outback model. So if you have your dash up the top like this and the AC down the bottom and your old unit was a sort of square, this is the one you're after. All your steering wheel controls are still going to work, so that's all good. A reverse camera, that's still going to work. You can see the fit here if you have a look how it all fits in. It's nice, pretty much sort of a factory fit. Looks like how it would have come out of the shop if it came out today with this sort of head unit in it. It's a wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. The factory USB port down here will work. If you have the Harman Kardon system, check your actual speaker grills on the door. It'll say if you have them. We might have to give you a different CAN bus kit. The unit as it is, wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, is like an Android base unit, so you've got access to different apps, Play Store. You can basically treat it like a big tablet. You can hook this into your actual OBD2 port in the car that comes in the kit. Normal radio is going to work, and obviously it's an HD, so widescreen, and you have our great support. So that's basically the unit here for this Subaru Outback. So if you are after something like this, hopefully that covers all your questions.